Okay, so principle of reversibility of path of light. So okay, so reversibility of path of light. So when the light is traveling from coming from one side, but we see in the reverse side, reversibility of path of light. Okay, so far with the help of the several activities, we have seen that when light travels from one medium to another, it gets refracted in a certain path. Have you ever thought what would be its direction if the direction of ray is changed? To understand the principle of reversibility of light, let us consider a compound plate having water as media and rectangular glass slab with one face coinciding other one. So to study about the reversibility of light, light goes and it again comes back to its own place. Why this reversibility is taking place? Because of the two mediums. Okay, so here you see it is the rarer medium, that means air, and here water, and here mirror. So which thickness is more? Okay, so mirror is more thicker than the water, and again here rarer medium. Okay, so see the picture, and here normal ray is not shown. This is the normal ray na? And here is the normal ray. Sorry. Okay, so when light is, I is what? Incident ray, or is refracted ray. So light is coming from here A to B. So here we can see bending, it bends here. So when it is light enters into the water, another medium, it is bending. Okay, bending we can see. Again it is water is entering, sorry, ray is entering from water to the glass slab, mirror, and again it bends little. Okay, so it bends little, and you see here, you see angle here, angle here. It is this angle is lesser than the water. Okay, you see the angle in the textbook 173 page. This angle is, if 30 degree means this angle is only the 20 degree. Why? Because water is little denser, thickness is lesser than the mirror na? That is why. As the angle is decreasing and density is increasing, deviation of light will be towards the normal and speed of light will be decreasing. Okay, so you see, and again from mirror it is entering into the water. Okay, D, here it is the E. Okay, so here you see R2, refraction rays, how many are there? You see refracted angles, so many are there, refracted angles. Okay, R1, then here this R1 and R1. Okay, this is normal ray na? Yes, so R1 and R1 in the water, and this one R2 and this one R3. The light is traveling from here A, B, C, D, and then entering into here na? This is E. Okay, it is coming here E. So light traveling A, B, C, D, E in this path. Okay, it is coming like this. So we will see here. Okay, so in this way, when light travels from air to liquid, liquid to glass, glass to air. So A, B, C, D, E will be the path of light ray. Similarly, if you move from air to glass, glass to liquid, liquid to air, according to the laws of refraction, EDCBA will be the path along which the light ray will travel. Okay, so according to the second refraction of law, we see na, so we see the definite, what is that formula? Yesterday we saw the laws of refraction na? So that means light, speed of light in the second medium by speed of light in second medium by speed of light in first medium. Okay, when the light is going from second medium to the first, like this na, reversibility. Okay, that is why EDCBA. Okay, reversibility na, like you see EDCBA, this side it is coming. EDCBA will be the path along which the light ray will travel. From this we can conclude that, and traveling between different mediums, if it is at a fixed point, the direction of ray is reversed. Then reversibility is seen in the direction of propagation of ray. Propagation means when the ray is traveling in different mediums. Different mediums means what are the different mediums are here? Air, glass, liquid are the different mediums. So propagation means when light travels in the different mediums, it is called as a propagation of ray. Okay. So light is, according to the second law of refraction, light is traveling from where? E, D, C, B, A. Rarer to mirror, mirror to water, and water to air. Reversibility. Okay. So principle of reversibility of path of light. In different mediums, the direction of light is changing. Did you see? The direction of light changes. Now here you see the direction of light is this side. But when we come here, the direction of light is this side, and here this side. So in the different mediums, when it is going, the direction of light is changing. Okay, direction of light is changing, and it also has the reversibility, path of reversibility. Okay, ED, CBA, reversibility. Thank you, students.